WTI, and I want to talk to you about these 4-inch LED lights from Ensenior. So we recently did a whole house remodel and we went with these amazing recessed lights to put in our ceiling. So this is my office. You can see that it's a really beautiful warm glow. This is the 2700K. They have all kinds of varieties, so have a look at the listing, but I love that it's just this cozy feeling, perfect for a bedroom or an office. First of all, they came really well packaged. They're nice and protected. I still have a few left to install as we complete the drywall stage. They're really easy to install. So all you have to do is connect the junction box, which comes with it, to your power source. And then you attach the light, you pop the little tabs up, and it goes right into your ceiling, nice and flush, pops down, and it just stays there. The junction box is nice and thin, so if you don't have a lot of space up in your ceiling, this is perfect for that. And then you just have to connect one light to the next, and you can have an entire room of ceiling lights. All you need to do is cut the little hole. It's just over 4 inches. All of the instructions come with the lighting. I had people helping me with the renovation and installing these lights, and they had installed the older version of the can lights before, and they couldn't believe how much simpler and easy it is to install this recessed lighting. So if you're looking to upgrade your lighting and you're a little intimidated, do not be. This is the way to go. It works with a dimmer too, so if you want to be able to go nice and bright or dim it really down to set the mood, this will work just fine for that. It's extremely energy efficient, has a very, very long life, so you don't have to worry about these dying on you anytime soon. You're good for years and years to come. So if you're ready to upgrade your lighting, you want something a little more modern, a little more sleek, something that doesn't stick out of your ceiling, this is absolutely the way to go. Highly, highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.